Hi learners, here's the homework packet for the week of November 28th. So notice there was a mistake. There's no school on Friday. This homework packet is due on Thursday. So that means we will have our spelling test on Thursday. 我们周四会有我们的考试. Okay, so learners, let's go over the sight words for the week, the skill of the week. As you know, every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you should be reading for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. You should be reading the poem, and you read by yourself. So for our sight words for this week, the first word we have is for. Like, this pen is for you. This homework packet is for home. This word wall is for home. F-O-R for. F-O-R. Our next word is the word or, 或者 O-R, or. Do you want strawberries or blueberries? Or. O-R, or. Our next word is the word it. I-T, it. Like, it is Monday. It. 或者 the guinea pigs. It is eating. Our next word is not. N-O-T, not. So it's like 不是. So for example, today is not Sunday. It is Monday. N-O-T, not. N-O-T, not. N-O-T. Our next word is big. B-I-G, big. So it's the opposite of little. Like, for example, I have a big breakfast. That is a big slide. That is a big playground. B-I-G, big. This week's skill of the week is I know how to wash my hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. So let's go over. So for Monday, you should be practicing your spelling words for or it not big. Some of you are still writing between the grass line and the worm line. That is wrong. Make sure that the letters are tall enough and make sure that they are on the worm line. They should always be on the worm line. Short letters are between the worm line and the plain line. This is this week's poem. So learners, make sure that you circle all of the sight words. So for example, A is a sight word that we learned before. That's why you need to make sure you have your word wall. A is a word we learned before. Look, here's another one. Here's another one. And keep reading. So here are the sight words. My pup. I got a new pup. The pup is a pug. He is so cute. I gave him a hug. I took the pup outside to run. We ran and played. We had so much fun. He dug a hole in the mud. He dug and dug. All he found was a bug. Circle all of the sight words. For foundations, what are some CVC words with short vowels? So learners, we talked about this before. V is the vowel, A, E, I, O, U. The C, the consonants, are all the other letters in the alphabet. So here's the word up, pop. Here's cut. Remember, you can change the first sound, keep the last sound the same. You can change both sounds, but, or you can leave the first sound, leave the middle sound, and just change the consonant at the end. Pot. Here's handwriting practice. Make sure you're filling out all the lines. You should be tracing over these. Here's an example for G. This is wrong. Again, make sure G goes from the plain line down to the worm line. Here is D. Notice like this, it is wrong. It's too small. And this is too big. Let me zoom in for you a little bit. There we go. Here's S. Some learners write S too big, or it's not on the grass line. Make sure you have it between the plane line and the grass line. Here is E. Again, make sure it stays between the plane line and the grass line. And here is R. Make sure it stays between the plane line and the grass line. And write your own on the bottom. Write on every single line. For math, you can use some cards if you have, or you can use a dice if you have. You're going to start here, and then we're going to go. So let me see if I have a coin I can use. Perfect. And then you're just going to see what you land on until you get all the way to the finish. Oh, sorry. Let's do that. There we go. Here's a start. If you land here, you will hop 3 times. 1, 2, 3. If you land here, you will touch your toes 2 times. If you land here, you would do 6 jumping jacks. You've done that before with Mr. Renta. If you land here, you will clap 1 time. If you go here, you will turn around 2 times. So you're just going to go around the board. Okay, learners, if you have any questions for the homework, let me know.